Should you make your business eco-friendly? Let's talk about it. And if you haven't already, give this video a like, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the new videos that I put out, and let's get started. So when I first started my cleaning business, I wanted to stand out. That's the thing that I wanted the most. And I was looking for all types of ways to make my business stand out from the competition. At the time, I noticed that a lot of businesses in different industries were going green or going eco-friendly. It was a big deal. You know, this was like when the Beyond Burger was really taking off and a lot of people were thinking healthy, a lot of people were thinking good for the planet. It was kind of a big wave, right, for businesses. And I'm like, maybe I should do that, but for my company, right? And what I could do is, instead of using the regular products that we usually use in the cleaning industry, that you basically buy at the shelf or you buy in bulk, what if I just buy green products, right? Everything we use is green, all of our products are good for the planet. And it would be this great way for me to set myself apart from the competition, because everyone is using bad products for the planet and I could use good products for the planet and I would get a lot more customers that way. Turns out that it didn't play out that way. What I realized is that a lot of customers didn't actually care about the products that we were using. They were more interested in the result than the actual products we were using. So ultimately, I decided not to go down that route, and I decided to do something else, something different that could kind of be a win-win situation for me in my business. So maybe you're wondering in your own business if you should go green or eco-friendly. I was in the same spot, and this is what I did in my business and how it's worked out for us. I decided to go down a more hybrid option where I'm not a green or eco-friendly focused company, right? We're not out here trying to clean up the planet. That's not the focus of our business. That's our mission. But I do offer an option that if a customer does want us to use green products, we have that, right? We can do that for them. We can offer those products for them for a premium price, right? We will charge more, but we can provide that option to those customers. Now, this strategy works out the best for us because, one, the cleaning business is already a very competitive industry to be in. There's cleaning businesses everywhere. And right off the bat, a lot of cleaning businesses actually don't even offer a green option for their customers. They only do it the regular way that everyone does it, right? With the regular products. So by offering that premium green option to our customers, we're not going to lose customers that want that green option. At the same time, we're not losing customers that don't care about the green option. And they're really more focused on pricing than they are about the products that we use. And from my experience, what I've realized is that a lot of customers actually don't care about the green option. They're more interested in results than they are about the products that we use. And a lot of them actually even present to us or even ask us if we're going to be using bleach, and they'll ask us what kind of products we use. And when we do tell them, they just want to make sure that it's good enough and strong enough to actually get the job done, because they care more about the results than they do care about the products that we use. And another reason why we chose this option for our company is because it actually leaves the decision up to the customer and not up to the company. Our job is to make sure that the customer is happy and that they're getting what they want. And so if it's up to the customer to decide whether they want a green option or not, they can make that decision for themselves. And we do our best to make sure that they're satisfied with the service that they're receiving. So if 100% of our customers want a green option, then we're only going to provide a green option. But if only a percentage of our customers really are interested in that green option, then we only offer it to that percentage of our customer base. One of the ways that we do this is when a potential customer is filling out the online booking form or the lead request form, they have an option to choose Go Green. And when they select that option, it does increase the price a bit, but that lets us know that they want us to use only green, eco-friendly products in their house, and we can do that for them. And our online booking and lead generation system is Yobo. If you haven't checked that out, go to getyobo.com. You can set it up, embed it right into your website. It makes it very easy for you to convert website visitors from just regular visitors into potential leads that you can reach out to them, send them quotes, or even get bookings directly on your website. Another thing I want to mention is that going green in your business, or making your business be an eco-friendly company, or going green, and that's your focus and that's your mission, and you truly want to really guide your business in that direction, your prices will be higher because typically green products and eco-friendly products across the board are going to cost more because the demand for them is much lower than the regular priced items. So if you're going to go in that direction, there's nothing wrong with that. Just keep in mind that your prices will be higher, meaning you're going to be marketing to a smaller segment of people and not the general market of people that are looking for cleaning services or any type of service that you offer, but you're going to be focused more on a niche audience, target segment of customers that are really interested or really passionate about green and eco-friendly options with the businesses that they choose to work with. So should you go green? Well, my answer to this would be if you truly want to, and that's something you really believe in, and which is awesome, it's amazing. If it's a mission that you want to follow, if that's a path that you want to go down, then absolutely make your business go green, go eco-friendly, and focus on getting customers that are interested in that segment, or even converting regular customers in the market to choose your company because of what you do and how great you are for the planet than the rest, right? Than the rest of the market. But if you don't want to offer that option at all, or you want to choose a hybrid type of, we offer both options like our company does, then that's great as well. So let me know what you guys think. Leave it in the comments. If you do offer only green options or eco-friendly options in your business, leave that in the comment section below. Tell me how that works out for you guys. Is that profitable for you? Why do you do it? Are you passionate about, making your business more eco-friendly? Leave that in the comment section below. I'd love to find out. I'd love to know and have a conversation with you. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.